A very good morning, students. On last two turn, I discussed some of the paragraph explain, and I explained two three paragraphs from this lesson. The summer of the beautiful white horse. Okay, but today I thought that it will be better than that of explanation if I tell you the summary. It will help you to understand questions, and you may write afterward answers by your own. So, and through summary also you will understand this whole chapter. Actually, your half yearly exams also close. So, I was thinking, uh, if we complete this chapter, then we can move towards next one. So let's start the summary. Here, Aram and Murad were two poor boys. They were cousins who belonged to the American Gargulian family, who were known for their honesty since the 11th century. One early morning, when Aram was asleep and was enjoying pleasant dreams, his cousin Murad showed up to his window with a beautiful white horse. Aram could not believe that it was a dream or truth. But since there was a little light outside, he knew this for sure that the horse was real, as they were poverty stricken. He could not believe that the horse was their own. He was trying to figure out if the horse had been stolen by his cousin Murad. Murad had come to invite him for the ride along with that white horse. He asked him to make it quick before everyone in the world wakes up. Aram wore his clothes and jumped out of the window and sat behind Murad on the horse. They rode on the old countryside of the area lived, where they lived, Walnut Avenue. After some time, Murad asked him to get off as he wanted to ride the horse alone. Aram asked him if he could also ride the horse alone just like him, to which Murad said they will see it as it was for his own safety. He got to know about that Murad had stolen the horse a month ago and was riding it every morning. When Aram got his chance of a ride, the horse took him to the vineyard and threw him off and ran away. After searching for 30 minutes, Murad finally managed to find the horse and they hid him in a deserted vineyard that had some oats and other crops. Murad had a way with everything, especially horses. He knew how to handle every type of animal and also humans. Every morning for 2 weeks, they would take the horse for a ride and then hide it again. One day, John Byro came to Aram's house to talk to his uncle Khusro, who was an irritated and loud man who shouted at almost everything. Byro told him about his missing horse, whom he bought at $60. For 1 month, he couldn't find it and he walked for 10 miles to come to their house. Khusro roared at him and told him it's no harm, pay no attention to it. Byro became irritated by his attitude and he went away. Aram went to Murad and told him about the missing horse of Byro and asked him not to return the horse until he learns to ride it. Murad told him that it would take 1 year for him to learn to ride the horse. He further angrily added that they could not be thieves as their tribe is known for honesty, and said that they would return the horse after 6 months. One day, on their way back to hide the horse to the hidden spot, they met John Byrow, who was going back to the town. He talked to them and carefully examined the horse. He admitted that the horse looked exactly like the one he had, but since he knew his parents and the honesty of their family, he didn't believe that they had his missing horse. He assumed it was a twin horse. Morag managed to let Byro assume that it was not his horse, so they went away. The next morning, both of them took the horse back to Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn. The dogs followed them all along quietly, and they left the place. The same afternoon, John Byrow came back to his house to tell his mother about his horse who had come back. He was happy and was astonished to see the horse's better temper, and it was stronger than ever. Uncle Khusro again word, "Quiet man, quiet. Your horse has been returned, pay no attention to it." So, this story tells us that these two boys, because their culture and some moral values which were given to them from their elders, they worked at the end and they returned the horse. So, after this summarization of the chapter, I just want you to write down some paragraph based question out of each paragraph that means probably I will make you write some paragraph based questions. Sorry, I may tick them. Okay, I may ask you to tick the paragraph and then you yourself form questions. From next turn, we'll start doing so. Okay, and which paragraph already I have explained. I want you to write down all those paragraphs, question answers in your classwork copies. Okay, so we'll meet on next turn. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.